Does the world need another idiot talking about cars? No. What it needs is an idiot talking about cars, motorbikes, aeroplanes, boats, everything. And that idiot's me. My name is Liam and I want to get hands dirty, involved in repairing cars, making classical cars supreme again, getting them back on the road, but I also want to be getting knowledge into the EV sector as well. That is up and coming. I want to learn all about electric cars, electric vehicles, bikes, motorbikes, all that sort of stuff. I've got a massive passion for cars mainly, and F1 and motorbikes. From a young age, my uncle used to have an E-Type Jaguar. It was a V12 model. It was mustard yellow and it was beautiful. I've been brought up around classic cars all my life and some really good modern cars, and I want to get myself hands-on and start repairing them and showcasing what you can do with a little bit of time, effort and knowledge, and also ask questions and advice. There's a lot of people out there hidden away that know a lot about things that are not talked about anymore, and I want to visit them people. I want to get that knowledge and I want to share it with everyone out there on our YouTube and social media channels. What can you expect from Drive Aspect in the forthcoming weeks? I want to tell you, we're going to be talking about tools, accessories, parts, all the rest of it. That's going to be every week. We've got projects lined up. We've got potential minibuses, buses, American buses, all the rest of it, but we want our own project which has arrived. Now this project, we've scouted it out, it's close to my heart. There's a reason, a personal reason behind it. Some might like the reason, some might just laugh at the reason, but there is a proper reason behind it. It is as old as me. It was born on Valentine's Day and it's red. Well, I'd say it's more pink now, but it's red. Take a look at this. This is what our long-term project's gonna be, and if you like it, make sure you subscribe, because there's gonna be two reasons why we're building that, and the last reason is gonna be epic.